TOST or TOST is a trading platform that has gained notoriety as a scam. The platform promised high returns on investment through a click a button model, where users were supposed to generate profits by simply logging into the app and clicking a button. However, investigations have revealed that TOST was a Ponzi scheme, using new investments to pay earlier investors. The platform offered suspiciously high returns, ranging from 1.8% to 5.3% daily, depending on the investment amount. Despite its enticing promises, TOST lacked transparency and verifiable ownership information. It operated from multiple domains and provided a fake company history dating back to 2018. The platform ultimately collapsed, leaving many investors with significant financial losses. If you're considering investing in trading platforms, it's crucial to do thorough research and be cautious of platforms that promise unrealistic returns.